Welcome to the World United. Welcome to the World United.
Now we would like to welcome dear Ketan Shah, acupressurist, to speak on body energy balancing methods. Please, sir.
Namaste. I thank Sri Yugandhar and Sri Karthikeyanji for organizing such a wonderful event which has helped in lot of mental awakening and learning. To continue this process, I present my thoughts on acupressure, which is put in a little different way. Balance of mind is the topic. Our experience has taught us that stress like illnesses are not sold in any market. I have traveled to 27 countries, but nowhere in the world I have found any shop which sells any health problem. Instead, they avoid stress through their behaviors and habits. Most commonly when they wear a mask. Today we are living in a society which compels us to behave in a particular way and to meet their demands. We keep adding mask on our face. We are not living our true life. We are living life for pleasing others by wearing mask. Most commonly, when we wear a mask, we create a stress on our own self to please somebody else. And mask is to hide the real self and live for the world to seek joy and happiness. We say that we are living for seeking joy and happiness. For whom? Are we seeking joy and happiness for our own self? Or are we wearing the mask for making other people happy? This is a thought that we need to process for our own self. And in turn, this causes pain and suffering and leading to various type of health problems. There are two things which are there. When the mind is not in our control and we give the control of our mind to somebody else, we are living to please others. This makes us stifle our constrained all the time. And in that process, we invite stress. And when we invite stress, this causes pain and misery. In this process, we create a lot of anger within ourselves. We create conflict in our mind. We create confusion in our mind. Whenever there is a conflict and confusion in our mind, it gets transferred to our body, and any type of conflict and confusion in our mind and body creates disharmony in our body, and this disharmony in our body creates imbalance in our body, which in turn invites stress and brings about various type of health problems. On the other side, when the mind is in our control, we are living for our own self. We redefine our existence for happiness, and in that happiness, when we are happy, we are more balanced, we are more organized, we are more balanced, our body and mind is more in harmony, and with that harmony, we create total wellness for us. And not only that, when we are happy, our auras are good. When our auras are good, we spread more happiness around us, and we live in a society which can be much more happier. Let us see from out of to in control. That is, how do we achieve this of having control on our mind, which we don't have right now. Many a times we are sitting here since last 2 days. How many of us have been able to register all the events completely? It's not possible to register all the events completely because mind is not completely in our control. Mind is wandering of so many other things. How do we balance the mind? Let us see how do we balance our mind. This is our vital organs that will help to balance our body, and through that we can balance our mind. When the mind is not balanced, it causes imbalance of the liver, it causes imbalance of the kidney, it causes imbalance of the lungs, it causes imbalance of the heart. These are the four main things which, to just name a few, there are 12 vital organs in our body which needs to be balanced for living a healthy life. We will learn how this can be done through acupressure. Acupressure is a science which is more than 5,000 years old and originated in India. This knowledge was suppressed for various reasons. It was not made popular, but fortunately for us, through the Buddhist religion, this knowledge and the documents got transferred from India to Sri Lanka and from Sri Lanka to Japan and China, where they documented all this and converted into acupuncture. And when it became acupuncture, that became more as an acceptable thing, because we as Indians still believe whatever is imported is much more important. There are pressure points which are there in our hands, which we have seen. Through the hands, our entire body organs are covered. Likewise, there are pressure points on the reverse of the hand also, which is also vitally important. There are pressure points in our feet. Likewise, there are pressure points in our ears. Ear is one of the most important area for treatment. If you look at it, the shape of the ear, it gives a shape of our entire body, like a child in the womb of a mother. This is how our entire body parts are covered in our ears also for treatment. If you look at it, in our ears, there are 113 points. In the body, there are 1,261 pressure points which can be activated for treating ourselves and for curing any of the problems. Let us look at the first vital organ of our body, which is the liver. Liver is the seat of anger. Liver, the function of the liver is to plan and execute the processes, helps the clarity of the mind, and it also helps in organizing and execution. If a person is having a weakness of the liver, the person will not be able to organize and execute the things in a very effective way. They are the type of people who will try to postpone things. They will not act instantly for execution of the thing. This is one of the things which we also take it for the corporate levels, for the very senior positions, president and vice president level, to balance and harmony and bring the body into harmony for effective execution. There are too many things in hand results in wearing a mask of clarity despite of confusion within. A person who is having a deficiency of the liver, weakness of the liver, will not be able to say no to the people. He will keep saying, yes, I will do it, I will do it. And in the process, add stress to himself and not do justice to the work which is empowered to do it, whereby there is a delay in the work which is required to be executed. Mind fails to plan and execute. When the mind fails to plan and execute, liver fails too, disturbing the complete digestion process. That is why it is said that whenever there is a mental stress, it affects the liver, and whenever the liver is affected, it affects the complete digestive system, which causes more of gastric problem, acidity problem, and stomach-related ailments associated with the liver. This in turn causes health issues like acidity, migraine, cervical problems, and acute eyes-related problem. These are all the problems which are associated with liver. Let us see how do we treat liver. There are various ways to treat liver, but very briefly, these are from the feet. These are the most important points which are there, which can help to activate liver. These pressure points are very effective to cure any type of liver-related disorders, to the extent that we even use these points for treating cirrhosis also. Acidity, which is very, very common and prevalent nowadays. One is because of the mental stress, irregular food habits, irregular sleeping habits, and the mental stress which is prevalent at various levels because of our wearing the mask and moving to please others. Previous slide. For acidity, the pressure points which are there to activate is from the first finger over here, the 3 points which are there. And in case of acute acidity, we can also activate the pressure points from the feet. These points are very, very effective for treatment of acidity and for curing any type of acidity related problems. And one of the most important home remedy for curing acidity is to take 8 to 10 grains of raw uncooked rice. If you swallow with water in the morning and do this treatment for 40 days, that will definitely help to reduce acidity. This has been tried and tested, that is why it has been put up over here. In fact, this has also been put up in our book, Acupressure for Total Wellness. Kidney is the cage of fear. Whenever we have a lot of fear within us, lot of guilt feeling within us, it affects the kidney. And in turn, because of the weakness of the kidney, we are not able to execute the courage to fight and create new things. Always we will be suppressed. What are the functions of the kidney? The filters toxic waste from the body, thereby eliminating what is not needed. Controls the mind to eliminate fear. Mind fails when mask of courage is worn and even its fears are boiling within. That is, the kidney gets affected completely because of the fear within. Mind thus fails to overcome fear and kidney fails to release the toxic waste, resulting in kidney-related problems, creates an imbalance causing kidney problems and the joint problems. One of the main problems associated with the kidney is the problem connected with the knee joint problems. Knee joint problem is caused because of lack of energy from the kidney, and that is in turn caused because of lack of water. Water is one of the most ingredients that we need to consume, and ideally we should consume 30 ml per kg of our body weight per day for effective use of the kidney and for balancing the water in our body. Water is important for our body because it helps in circulation and circulating the energy. Knee joint problem is one of the most common problem which is there, and when patients come to us for knee joint related problems, when we ask them how much of water do you drink, many of them they say 2 or 3 glasses of water. One is lack of water can be one of the things for the knee joint problem. Secondly, wrong system for exercising. Many of the people, they use the treadmill, but the right posture which is to be maintained while using the treadmill, if it is not being done the right way under supervision, that can put undue pressure on the knee, which can also cause knee joint problems. Knee joint problem is very prevalent, but at the same time, this is very, very easy to treat and cure. In the audience, do we have anybody who is having knee joint problem? If anybody is having knee joint problem, we can invite 1 or 2 people to come on the stage. We can show them and treat them. Let you please make it fast because we are short of time. So in case if anybody is having knee joint problem, please come up. No? Namaste. Since how long you have the knee joint problem?
I just have a knee problem occasionally. Sometimes it comes then. And
Okay. You hold the mic, I'll hold your hand for the treatment.
okay. Thank you.
Here we have to treat the middle 2 fingers and activate the pressure in this fashion.
Oh, it hurts.
No pain, no gain. Yes, this is the right way to keep the mic. No? Okay. The middle two fingers, you have to press this 3 times a day, and each time you activate these pressure points, you press it 8 to 10 times on both the hands. A bit. Quite a lot, or quite a lot. It is hurting. Did you have the pain today when you came?
I did. That's why I remember.
Okay.
That's why it is hurting, because I have pain.
No, pain is directly related. Okay. Now please walk and see how you feel. No?
Now, my question is, if it hurts that much to press it, I might not be able to press it that much. How could I handle that?
You have to understand that the pain on your knee is throughout the day, but this pressure which you are putting and when it is hurting on your finger is a momentary, it's less than 3 minutes. You have to decide whether you want 3 minutes of pain or 24 hours of pain. No? Yes, ma'am.
I have
Both legs. Okay. Now
since 6 years.
you have the problem since 6 years. Okay. Acupressure is a science which can give relief and cure this problem of knee joint problem. So far, more than 1,200 patients we have treated knee replacement surgery, and today they are living a normal life without surgery, just with acupressure. And this acupressure is also not to be done lifelong. You do this for a certain period of time. Once you are okay, you can slowly reduce the treatment and then do it only as and when it is required. This is not required to be done lifelong. Knee joint is one of the simplest thing to be treated with acupressure. Please walk and see. Please tell how you feel.
Really, it's a wonder. I have no pain right now. Thank you. I'd like to have your address later. I'll meet
Sure. Yeah. Yes. What problem you have? By knee joint problem by using the treadmill. Since how long you have this problem? Past 6 months. Okay. Very recent problem. Is it hurting? Okay, these are the points that you need to do 3 times a day, and each time you press these points 8 to 10 times you should do it. And please drink adequate water. Yeah, please walk and see. I think we'll take it later. It's very simple. The middle two fingers are associated with the legs, outer two fingers are connected with the hands. God has created our body in a very scientific way. If you look at it, when we keep our fingers facing downward, the top joint is the hip, thighs, knee joint, calf muscle, ankle and feet. That is how these legs are devised, and we have to press it on the side of the fingers for activating the points associated with the knee or the ankle or the calf muscle, and accordingly we can treat our own self for curing any type of problems. Next. Lungs. Lungs is one of the important parts of our body, and Hyderabad is connected more with the lungs related problem for curing, not for the problem, but curing the problem, solving the problem, because weakness of the lungs causes asthma. And asthma centers are there in Hyderabad where on a particular day they administer the fish, medicated fish therapy, and from world over people come for the treatment of asthma. And this is very popular center for this. That is why we have taken this. More so, lungs is important because whenever we breathe, we are taking the prana, fresh oxygen, we are taking the freshness. And for meditation, when we do, we also do the deep breathing exercises. So breathing is an important thing connected with meditation. More so because the lungs also has a particular peak period of activity, and that is between 3 and 5 a.m. early morning. That is the time when the lungs are most active. And these timings are associated with the Brahma Muhurtam, which yesterday Dadaji mentioned that Brahma Muhurtam is between 3 to 6 early morning. The timing of the lungs is between 3 and 5 a.m. That is why most of the people who suffer from asthma, they get the attacks more between 3 and 5 a.m. because this is the peak period of activity where the lungs are active. What is the reason for the lungs being blocked? For the lungs being not being effective? The reason is lungs is associated with sorrow and emotional stress. A person who has more of emotional stress, their lungs will be having the lungs related problems, and associated with the lungs related problem can be the skin related problems, which is any type of eczema, psoriasis, dry skin. These are all associated with the lungs. Lungs breathe in fresh air and breathe out the stale air, controls the mind to breathe in with fresh experience and breathe out the stressful ones. Mind fails when the mask of contentment is worn, and despite the dissatisfaction, and if mind fails to breathe properly, the lungs fail too. In turn, they starts feeling suffocated, choked. The breathing difficulty starts. And for curing any type of lungs related problem, the pressure points which are there are from our hands. So this helps in activation of the pressure points from the hand. Lungs is also more related with the emotional stress. A person who is having more of emotional stress, they also suffer from lungs related problems, and the pressure points for relieving the emotional stress are on our hands, near our elbow, on this part, on the upper part of the elbow joint. These are the points which are for releasing the emotional stress, and if you activate this emotional stress point regularly, it will help you to strengthen yourself, activate your lungs effectively. Heart, the sky of joy. When a person is stressed, but they try to express false happiness to others, they try to live for others, that is where it creates more of mental stress, and along with that, it increases the indigestion in their system, leading to cholesterol related problems, and in turn causes problems with the heart. Joy is the essence of heart, controls the mind to feel healthy and joyful. Mind communicates the feeling of joy by circulating positively all over the body. But when mind fails, when mask of false happiness is worn, although internally we are disturbed, internally we are not happy, but we create a sense of false happiness by giving wrong messages to the people that, okay, I have no problems in my life, I have a perfect family life, I have a perfect workplace, I have no stress. But internally when we are burning, it creates the problem for the heart. This causes an imbalance of the heart, leading to diseases like heart attack, blood pressure, depression, and insomnia. In case of a heart attack, the first 40 minutes are very, very important for getting the medical help. But in acupressure, we treat this from the left hand. On the left hand side, little finger behind the nail, this is the important point for treating any type of heart-related ailments. Especially in case of heart attack, when you see that a person has got a heart attack, till the time you take the person to the hospital, if you start pressing this point on the left hand side little finger, this is as good as a cardiac massage. And with this activation of this pressure point on the left hand side little finger, hundreds and thousands of people's lives have been saved, because when we conduct the workshop, our participants who learn this, they spread this information to their workplace, to their society, to their family, and to their friends. And in turn, when they start activation of these pressure points and help people, this has helped save number of people's life. This point is also useful on the left-hand side little finger to control cholesterol also. And not only in case of heart attack, post-heart related problems also, this point, if it is activated, this can help in reducing the effects which are there for the heart and strengthens the muscles for the heart, improving the condition of the heart. Let us look at a story of an Alexander. Alexander was known to be one of the greatest rulers of India and many more countries. On his deathbed, he made strange wishes to his doctors, which were, my coffin to be carried by my physicians only, the path leading to my grave should be strewn with gold, silver and precious stones, and both my hands to be kept dangling out of my coffin. The reason offered by him was, my coffin be carried only by my physicians is, no doctors can cure a body and save you from the clutches of death. There is nothing that can save a person from death. Death is inevitable. The path leading to my grave should be strewn with gold, silver and precious stones. You spend all your life earning money, but you cannot take anything with you. At the same time, with all your money, you cannot postpone your death or you cannot buy good health. Both my hands to be kept dangling out of my coffin. At that time it was said that you come empty-handed and you leave empty-handed. But today, we interpret in a different way, that in the current scenario, we interpret this as, good health is in your own hands. Learn how to interpret your hand, heal yourself through your own hands, and health is in your own hands. So if you try and practice acupressure with the treatment from the hands, you can live a healthy life. It cannot be said that you will stay longer, live longer, because nobody knows how much is our lifespan. So it will be a wrong statement to say that with acupressure you can live longer, but I can only say, if you practice acupressure, the quality of your life can be much better. Live your life like a dictionary, add value, and guide the people who refer to you, and that is my mission in my life. Anybody who would like to refer to me, I'm available for any type of treatment or any type of health guidance. This was a cut down presentation of the complete thing because of the constraint of time, but the full presentation is also available on the website, so you can refer to that. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful session. For those of you that are thrilled with the Dr. Shah has humbly agreed to be available for anybody that would like to spend some time with him about acupressure from 7 p.m. onwards outside in the lobby today. Now, we would like to welcome Sadhguru Mangesh Taji and Sanyogi Uma Shankar ji to be on the stage to facilitate our wonderful speakers.
निःशुषीतगणपते गणेषु त्वामाहुर्विप्रातमं कवीना